Manufacturing requires acute attention to detail, a necessity that's only heightened in the electronics space. Historically speaking, quality assurance has been a manual job, requiring a highly skilled engineer to ensure that electronics and microprocessors were being manufactured correctly and that all of its circuits were properly configured. Automated optical inspection is a technique where a camera autonomously scans the device under test for catastrophic failure and/or quality defects. Computer vision is the foundation of optical inspection. Once AI is implemented on this process through autonomous machines or robots, they replicate monotonous human tasks in the manufacturing process, thus saving costs. Before being put into production, the autonomous machines/robots perform the same task over and over again, learning each time until they achieve sufficient accuracy. AI implementations are improvements to industrial supply chains. Using AI tools to improve inventory management is one of the key applications. Predictive inventory management leverages predictive analytics for a variety of inventory-related tasks, including to reduce inventory planning time, minimize inventory cost, optimize repairments, and find optimal reorder points. For these tasks, techniques such as time series analysis, probabilistic modeling as well as simulations are most commonly used. By layering artificial intelligence into the assembly line, various automation can be created. Like when equipment operators are showing signs of fatigue, supervisors get notifications. When a piece of equipment breaks down, the system can automatically trigger contingency plans or other reorganization activities. AI-driven cybersecurity and privacy relates to aspects such as cyber threat detection. It typically involves observing the network infrastructure and detecting threats of cyber attacks in real time. It also often includes such activities as network traffic analysis, endpoint detection and response, malware sandboxes, etc. AI-powered cyber threat detection is often part of a larger cybersecurity solution that also uses a number of prevention measures. With data often stored in multiple systems and multiple places, it is hard to access and analyze the data quickly and holistically. Therefore, some industrial companies start to employ data management solutions that perform tasks such as data acquisition, data filtering, data cleaning and integration, etc. in real time. Voice Assistant is one of the examples of smart assistants in manufacturing settings. Integrating voice assistant technology into its real-time industrial monitoring systems allows workers to gain insights without coding the explicit commands or printing long status reports. A product that looks perfect may still break down soon after its first use. Similarly, a product that looks flawed may still do its job perfectly well. The way we observe objects and flaws is biased, and many things may be different than they seem. With vast amounts of data on how products are tested and how they perform, artificial intelligence can identify the areas that need to be given more attention to tests. Predictive maintenance allows companies to predict when machines need maintenance with high accuracy, instead of guessing or performing preventive maintenance. Predictive maintenance prevents unplanned downtime by using machine learning. Technologies such as sensors and advanced analytics embedded in manufacturing equipment enable predictive maintenance by responding to alerts and resolving machine issues. Automated component design is the leading use case in AI-driven R&D. The goal: letting software independently develop dozens of different designs in short periods, given a set of predefined constraints. The optimal design is chosen afterwards. For this task, digital twins and simulations often complement the AI techniques. In addition to facilitating the manufacturing process, AI can help organizations design products, exploring all the possible permutations of a solution and generate design alternatives. Finally, it uses machine learning to test each iteration and improve upon it. For a free POC or demo, contact us, www.surancinfotech.com, contact@surancinfotech.com. Please like, share, subscribe to Suran's Infotech channel for more details.